Hi, grade 10 students. So I'm back again with a scope. So this is Life Sciences Term 3 test. So make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to make it in your life science paper that you're about to write now in Term 3. So let's look at the overview. This term focuses on the history of life on Earth, biosphere, and ecosystem. It focuses on how living organisms interact with their environment. You will explore fossils, mass extinctions, biomes, and energy flow in ecosystems. So make sure that you pay attention to this video because it's going to help you very much on how you can prepare your studies for Term 3 test. So during week 1, you will come across this topic of history of life on Earth. So the key events in Earth histories, that's what you're gonna focus on. You will also focus on how geological events affected life. You will also have an activity where you create a timeline of life major milestones. So make sure that you give your time to study this because it's going to help you very much when you write your test. So when it approaches week 2 to week 4, you will come across this topic of geological timescale and the Cambrian explosion. So make sure that you cover this and all these subtopics that you are seeing on your screen. So you will come across the three eras, the Paleozoic and Mesozoic and Cenozoic era. You will also come across the Cambrian explosion, the human evolution, and an activity that focuses on geological timeline to map and key events. So make sure that you cover that in your studies. So guys, remember that we offer classes online. So if you're doing lab science, obviously you're doing mathematics. So you must make sure that you WhatsApp the number you are seeing on your screen if you want help in mathematics in these online extra classes. It's only £100 per month and per subject. So that's the subjects that we offer and the time that we use to teach those subjects. So if you're interested, just WhatsApp us. And if there's any subject that is not here, you can just go to e-learning solution essay on YouTube and you will see videos about those subjects that will help you in your tests. Coming back to weekly breakdowns, in week 5 to week 7, you will come across the mass extinctions and fossils. In this topic, there is 5 mass extinctions that you will come across. You will also discover why scientists call today the 6th extinction. You will also come across the fossil information and an activity after this topic. So in week 8, you will come across this topic of biosphere and biomes. So in biosphere, you will learn about the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. So in these biomes of southern Africa, you will come across an activity in that as well. So make sure that you cover that in your studies or when you study. So guys, remember that in week 9, you will come across the topic of ecosystem and abiotic and biotic factors. So the subheadings in this topic, it is ecosystem structure, abiotic factors, and you will come across the activity about those subtopics. So make sure that you cover that as well in your studies. During week 10, you will come across this topic of energy flow and trophic levels. So you must cover food chains and food webs and pyramids in this topic. You must also cover the life cycle in this topic because that's what you are going to write about. So in the 11th week, you will do an investigation and human impact. So in this investigation, it will be focusing on fieldwork to the local ecosystem. You will also have an informal test that covers week 1 to week 6 content. And you will also have the SBA task, which is the practical task containing 30 marks. So this is the end of our video. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you are new, like this video, and also leave a comment below. So I'll see you in the next one, guys.